What's up, Bimmers? Welcome to my channel. Today, I will talk about how to reset the oil service light on the 2014 to 2024 BMW 4 Series. It's a very simple way to do this yourself, and you don't need an OBD plug or any tool. You can save some money by doing it yourself. So let's dive right in. Alright, in this section, I'll show you how to reset the oil service light on the first generation of BMW 4 Series or F32, F33, and F36 versions. This guide will apply to the 428i, 435i, and 420D models. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Press the start button once with your foot off of the brake pedal. Step 2. Hold the dash button on the left for about 10 seconds until you can see the reset menu. Step 3. Hit the dash button repeatedly until you find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Next, hold the button again, and it will ask you to reset. Step 5. Hold the button one last time, and then you'll see reset in progress, so wait till it has done, and you're good to go. Okay, now I'll show you how to reset the oil service light on the second generation BMW 4 Series or G22, G23, and G26 models. This procedure is compatible with the 420i, 430i, and M440i versions. So let's get to work. Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times rapidly and wait until you get to the diagnostic mode. Step 2. Hold down the BC button on the left stalk for 10 seconds until you see the reset menu. Step 3. Press the BC button repeatedly to find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Once you get it, you will go ahead and hold the BC button, so it's going to ask me, do you want to reset it? Step 5. Finally, press the BC button one more time and wait until the reset progress bar finishes and you're done. So that's it, and we're all done. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments section. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.